Hi, welcome to Lynn's Recipes. Tonight for dinner I'm making baked paprika parmesan chicken. The amounts of the ingredients that you're going to need to make the chicken will be listed in the information box below, or you can find it on the website. The ingredients are: you'll need boneless, skinless chicken breast, grated Parmesan cheese, all-purpose flour, paprika, and I'm using smoked paprika, but you can use whatever kind you want, salt, pepper, milk, an egg, and some melted butter. You also need to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and you'll need to spray a casserole dish that is shallow with cooking spray. I'm going to start by beating this egg that I have in this little bowl and adding the milk. I'm just going to whisk this together real well. And now I'm going to set this aside. I have this pie plate and I'm going to put my grated Parmesan cheese in it, along with my all-purpose flour, my salt, pepper, and paprika. And now I'm just going to stir this all together. Trying to get it all incorporated there. And so now I'm ready to dredge the chicken. Okay, so I'm going to pick up my chicken here. I have clean hands, and I'm just going to dip it in the egg and milk mixture, and then dredge it in the Parmesan mixture. And put it in the casserole dish. I'm just going to do that to all of them. Okay, this is the last one. Make sure it's coated. And if you want to take what's left over and just kind of sprinkle it on top, you can do that. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, now I have my melted butter here, and I'm just going to drizzle it over the top. Now I'm going to put this in my 350 degree preheated oven for an hour to an hour and 15 minutes. My chicken is done. It baked for 1 hour in the 350 degree oven. I just took it out and this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to put it on a serving platter and show you. I've put my chicken on a platter and I've garnished with some parsley. This is baked paprika Parmesan chicken. I hope you enjoy it.